What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 1.4 Pro item from Black Scorpion. It is colorful glittering tail to silver crackling willow and neon peony. It is a 42 shot cake, 30mm bore size, lasts about 21 seconds. Item number is CLA14007. It's got some, like I said, 30mm bore size. It says straight up and down, but it looks like it's got a little angle to it. So we'll still, see the top here. It says face for a better view. So we'll make sure we face it accordingly, the right direction. So let's take it out, see how it looks.